friends, it's Tracy and Emily and Isabella from plantspowerpurpose.com. Today we are making
kale chips.
Kale chips, kale, yeah! All right, so first, we just got kale from the garden. There's nothing like picking something from the garden to cook. So we took the kale from our garden and we washed it, of course. And I love one of these little salad spinners. They are just so nice. From stuff that you get in your garden. We got all these leafy greens too. We put them in here, washed it, and then we gave it a nice spin.
Can I try?
Yeah, and it's so fun for the kids to dry. All right, who knew drying lettuce could be so fun? So anyway, then we left our kale overnight, and we kind of like let it dry out a little bit more, because I've done that in the past and it didn't turn out so great. And we're gonna like just kind of, can you help with this, Bella? Maybe like, we're gonna make them little like chip size pieces.
Okay.
All right, and we don't want the stem, the spine really. It's just it's too much really. Too much kale.
Like this.
That's a little bit too little, because think about it, it's like chips you're eating. But yeah, I think you guys did a really good job actually.
A little bit smaller, or this is good?
That's good.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get those big spines out, because yeah, they're just too much when you're trying to enjoy a chip. So we did a good job, everybody. Okay, next we are going to spray it. Now I have this spray olive oil, but a lot of people have the mister or whatever. Definitely spray it on. You cannot put olive oil on these chips in a normal way without spraying, because it's just too much olive oil. So who wants to spray this?
I would. Me too. Can I please?
Let's take turns.
Okay. Can I do it first, Mom?
Okay, sure.
So I do have to spray it
Yeah.
on? Okay.
Okay, and see what you missed. And then Emily's going to get the ones you missed.
Okay.
Like this right here,
Woo!
That's the table.
Yep.
It'll help.
It's okay.
Right here, I think you missed these guys. Yeah. Now, we're going to put seasoning on. This is Emily's favorite thing. I don't know why. She loves seasoning, just like Mommy. This is like an Italian seasoning, so maybe a little bit of that. This is also Italian seasoning. Wait, maybe we'll just use this. I like this one because it actually has flaxseed in it. It's McCormick's, and flaxseed's really good for you. And just, I can't really get as much flaxseed in my life as I like. So here you go.
Can I spray first?
Yeah. So not too much. All right, let Emily do it because she loves seasonings.
Okay, just don't do too much, Emily.
Too much, Emily.
Like put it dinner. Wait, I already did it over there. Maybe like a little bit over here. Okay. I want to make it do it today.
Okay, 3 people's seasoning. All right, perfect. And then we're just gonna stick it on the oven. I have to check the time. I think it's 400. Shoot, I gotta check the time and the temperature. But we will put that in the comments, okay, guys? So thanks, and we'll be back with our kale chips.
Yeah.
Enjoy.